distance was a bird flying by in the clouds. It soared by every herd, mountains, streams, and crowds.
Through the trees and through the land, shaped by wind and rain,
it carefully studied the movements.
it navigated tough terrain.
The nest was nice and fluffy,
Sticks, straw, and feathers,
room for plenty babies.
nestled all together.
I have to take care of my babies,
said the mama to their dad.
when time came to leave the nest,
Mama bird grew very sad. We all have to fly away and live life to our very best. Sometimes the fear of leaving is the joy of being blessed.
other times it's easy,
And other times it's tough, but the joy of every lesson is it isn't always rough.
She followed them closely,
Making sure they didn't fall,
she watched them swarm the fields.
prevent their flapping stall,
Every parent watches intently
to see their kids grow,
through pain of learning hard lessons.
and the heartache of letting go.
Give life your best and let your wings spread wide.
Fear is not your enemy, because conquering fear instills pride.
If you're gonna fly high,
You have to muster up the courage, sometimes with criticism,
even though
it might discourage. We all have to fly away and live life to our very best. Sometimes the fear of leaving is the joy of being blessed.
other times it's easy,
And other times it's tough, but the joy of every lesson is it isn't always rough. Someday, little bird, you'll build a nest of your own. Pay attention closely to the blessings you've been shown.